Hello students, hope so everyone is fit and fine. So students, we was in your chapter number 5 and the name of the chapter is chapter number 5, Introduction to Visual Basic. Introduction to Visual Basic. So students, in my last class I have explained about how we can develop an application, is not it? As well as I have given you some question and answers. I think so everyone has learned those answers and no one has any sort of doubts. So today we can proceed to another topic of the same chapter, that is your, you will take out to page number 79 where you will get here place controls on the form. Here you will get how we can place control on the forms. Here there are two ways of adding controls on the forms. First one will be named as your first method and the next one will be named as your second method. So here you see step 1. Double click on the control in the toolbox. Here the control chosen in a button by default button are named button 1, button 2, etc. So firstly, with the help of your mouse you are going to double click on the control. You will get a toolbox here. Then you will find a button there having different sort of numbers, button 1, button 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. Then you will come to step 2. The control appears at the top left corner of the form in figure 5.15. So everyone look at the figure, picture 5.15. In there you will find the button is present, the button is displayed on the screen at the top corner. Clear? To change the position of the control, click on it, hold down the left mouse button and drag it to the new location. Now, you look at figure 5.16. Firstly, your button was on your top, is not it, top left. Now you want to place the button in your where? You want to change the position of the control. You want to change the position of the control. You want to place in the center. Okay, you want to place it on the center. So you have to drag the mouse and place the button in your center. Then you come to step 3. In step 3 you will get to resize the control, drag the resize pointer on its edges or corners. Drag the edge pointer for changing the size either horizontally or vertically. Drag the corner pointer for changing the size diagonally. So here we are going to resize it, resize the button. Okay. When you are going to double click on the button 1, you will find the handles. Okay, you will find the corner handles which is known as placeholder. You will find 4 circles at the 4 corners of this button box. So now if you want to resize it, if you want to increase the size of this button, so you have to drag the mouse, expand it. Now if you want to decrease the size, you have to decrease it. Okay. Then let's come to your second method. So in first method, how many steps you have got? You have got 3 steps. Now let's move to the second method of placing controls on the form. In second method, you will get here 2 steps. First step, click on the control in the toolbox and with the left mouse button press down, drag and drop it onto the form. So here in the step 1, we are going to click on the control in the toolbox and then we are going to click the left mouse button. Okay. Then in step 2, as in the first method, reposition the control by holding down the left mouse button and dragging it to a new location. To resize the control, drag on its edge on corners. Now here in step 2, to resize the position of your button, it is same as your first method, third step. Okay, it is the same as your first method, third step. For resizing, you can do what? You will double click on the button. You are going to double click on the button. Then you will find the 4 corners, that is what? 4 circles at the corners, 4 or 5, 6 circles at the corners. You have to increase or decrease the size to resize their position. Clear this much? No doubts regarding this? Then students, how we are going to delete a control? To delete a control on the form, select it by clicking it once and press del. So for deleting a control, I can say you one shortcut option. What you are going to do, in the keyboard you will find the delete option. So directly firstly you select your form with the help of your mouse and you directly click on delete button. You will find that it has been deleted. Clear students? How we can place control on the form, the two ways, and as well as how we can delete a control. Clear? I think so, no doubts regarding this. So students, everyone take out your copy. I will give you one answer regarding my today's explanation. You will get this question in page number 91, number C. What are the two ways of placing control on a form? In answer the following, you see number C. What are the two ways of placing controls on a form? Answer, you write. The two ways of placing controls on a form are. The two ways of placing controls on a form are. Give a hyphen. Give a hyphen. Then you will take out to page number 79. Page number 79, first method. First method, you make Roman number 1, underline hyphen. You have seen this 1, 2, 3. You will make this step 1, step 2, step 3. Step 1 you will write, double click on the control in the toolbox, full stop. Here the control chosen is a button. By default buttons are named button 1, button 2, etc. Then you will write step 2. The control appears at the top left corner of the form. To change the position of the control, click on it, hold down the left mouse button and drag it to the new location, up to your location. Then for step 3, to resize the control, drag the resize pointer on the edges or corners, up to your corners. Up to your corners. Step 3, up to your corners. Then Roman number 2, second method, underline hyphen. You will write step 1, click on the control in the toolbox and with the left mouse button press down, drag and drop it onto the form. Then you will see step 2, make it step 2. As the first method, reposition the control by holding down the left mouse button and dragging it to a new location. To resize the control, drag one of its edges or corners up to your corners. Clear? No doubt? So here in first method you will get 3 steps up to your step 3 corners, and in second method you will get 2 steps, step 1, step 2 up to your edge or corners. Clear? No doubts regarding this? So students, I think so everyone has written this answer and no one has any sort of doubts. So students, you are going to learn this answer as your homework, okay? And in my next class, I will explain you creating and executing a Visual Basic application, okay? As well as I will explain you about working with variables, how we can work with variables. Clear? So whatever answers I am giving to you, learn it very nicely. All are important from the point of your exam. Clear? No doubts regarding this? So students, when you are watching my video, everyone is subscribing it, as well as you click to the like button. Okay. So students, now I am winding up my class here. Thank you to all and have a nice day ahead.